Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing a Sidestep from Carr. This is a Carr custom fit Sidestep super hoop, black powder coated aluminum 17-inch step. This fits our 2021 Sprinter 3500 extended that we're working on here, but it also fits many others. There's a list on eTrailer.com if you want to go check that out to see if it fits what you're working on. So I like this step. It's pretty low profile. It doesn't hang too low or stick out too far, right? And I think it looks pretty cool as well. I'll walk through the install in 3 steps. So first, the unboxing. It's pretty straightforward. It comes with the step, the mounting hardware, and instructions. So first things first, right? First step in the process, determine the step location. For this particular install, we want the step to be centered in the full opening of the van door. So we don't have a cabinet protruding into the opening or anything like that, right? So we mark the center where we wanted it installed. Second, assemble the mounting hardware and attach the step. So you attach the mounting hardware to the step and put the bolt through the hole that, when attached to the vehicle, will make the step level with the ground. It doesn't so much matter at this point, as you'll have an opportunity later in the install to take that out and adjust it once you get it mounted. So you'll need to drill holes through the flange under the van. This is the secure point on the van that will bear most of the weight when stepping on the step. So mark the hole locations. I used a steel punch to indent so my drill bit wouldn't wander when I started drilling. And of course I measured a few times here just to make sure I'm not drilling unnecessary holes in the van that shouldn't be there. So drill a smaller pilot hole first and then larger holes for each side of the step. You'll see here where the spacers fit in, and just a note, once the bolts are installed to the flange, I'll secure the top part of the mounting bracket here with a metal screw. You'll see that in a minute. So the third step is to level up the step and finish up. You can see the step isn't level to the ground, so I adjusted the bolt placement on the mounting hardware here. Now tighten the bolts down with a ratchet and a box end wrench, and just a note, I had to remove the leveling bolts again, right, from the mounting bracket to allow access to fully tighten the bracket to the van. So once that's done, secure the top part of the mounting bracket. Then screw the metal screw in, and not too tight so it doesn't strip out. And then finally I put some marine sealant to cover the screw heads here. And that's it. You can see what it looks like installed here. Pretty minimal, just gives you that extra leverage to get up into the van easier than without the step. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to get alerted on new videos.
Yay, vans!